Do you have like this? Hello, my name is Goldie and you are watching The Thriving Kid. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Do you have like this? If yes, get it and together we will fix it. The materials we need are thread, needle, needle threader, scissors. If the materials are ready, insert the thread to the needle using the needle threader. Once the thread is inserted to the needle, it should look like this. Make sure to lock both ends of the thread to connect it. Then let the sewing begins. Uh-oh, I'm kinda struggling here. Wait, I'm going to figure it out. And finally, I figure it out. And the sewing continues. Uh-oh, it's kinda hard. This clothing is like stone. Finally, it's out. Easy peasy, lemon and squeezy. This is tedious but a rewarding task to do. Finally, I'm almost done. This is it. You too can try it. Thanks for watching. Please like my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.